पैसे कम मिलेंगे।
यूनिट है, हाँ जयपुर में ही है
जी जयपुर कहाँ पर लोकेटेड इन बापू नगर ऐसा
बापू नगर which on which road
it's nearby Rajendra Bhavan.
Rajendra so whatever he told me about your profile and his profile, that is good. So at least our students, if they are found suitable, they will learn so many things.
Definitely.
Things.
Definitely sir, it's there.
अच्छा मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ if you remember in 2003 60,000 IT professionals were deported from America. Do you remember that? So then there was a certain drop in the intake of this branch IT.
Attention please. A very good morning to all my respected teachers, our chief guest and all my colleagues. All is for the program of placement that I will share, and we begin our program while inviting our chief guest to grace the stage. Now I would like to call our chief guest along with the director sir, Mr. Neeraj Duggar sir, Rahul Khandelwal sir, Mr. P.K. Sharma sir to take the seat on the stage. Please sir.
Of Messrs. VK Software Private Limited, which has come to our college to hire some suitable students for their organization. So, Mr. Rahul Khandelwal, he is the chief of the team, so I honor him first of all, then other team members, and I welcome them here in this college, and I hope that they will find some suitable students for hiring purpose among the students of our college. I wish all of you, the students, good luck and good service career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call our chief guest, Mr. Neeraj Duggar sir, to come over the podium and address the students. Please, sir.
सबसे पहले तो मैं कहूँगा आप लोग सिर्फ अपने लिए अच्छी तालियां बजाइए, क्योंकि आप लोग इतने ब्लेस्ड हैं कि इतने अच्छे कॉलेजेस में पढ़ रहे हैं आजकल, और इतना कुछ आपको देखने को मिलता है, सीखने को मिलता है। हम लोगों के समय में ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, तो प्लीज़ क्लैप ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा। वीके सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में सिर्फ इतना ही बताऊँगा कि वी आर वर्किंग इन डिफरेंट स्ट्रीम्स, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस, एंड वी नीड गुड स्टूडेंट्स who are efficient and who can work, and आप लोग सिर्फ efficient होने के बारे में सोचिए। इंटरव्यूज तो होंगे और होते रहेंगे, आप लोगों के और कैंपस होते रहेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप efficient हैं तो you will rise and you can achieve something in your life. But that's it, I think. Okay, thanks and all the best for you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Mr. P.K. Sharma sir. he will come here and he will give the detail of their company.
Good noon all. First of all, I would like to thank this director sir of the college as well as all the staff members who were courteous enough to conduct this campus interview and give us a chance to shortlist few bright, talented people for the growth path that we have chosen and join our company. Now, let me brief you about VK Softwares. VK Softwares is a company which is working for last 10 years in the software industry. We are into streams of application development, web development, Android applications, softwares, almost every stream we cover. And it is a team of youth professionals who are working for companies abroad as well as the domestic clients. But our main focus is exporting the softwares and applications, right? The second thing that I'd like to tell you is that you people who just are about to graduate and are about to choose your career streams, I'll give you a very sincere advice. Right now, do not choose something which is going to give you immediately good returns, but might not take you to the place you actually deserve to be. Right now, choose something which gives you right kind of learning, a right kind of attitude, have hunger in your belly and passion for learning things, and you will be the stars of tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, now I would like to invite our chief guest, sir, Mr. Rahul Khandelwal, sir, that he will come and address our students. Please clap the hand for the sir.
Hello everybody. I guess Neeraj and Prasann have already told you about almost everything, and I'd just like to say that be yourself and believe in yourself. So very good luck to you for these reviews, and have a great life ahead. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite our head of the Department of Computer Science, Kancham sir. Please come on the podium.
Very good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Regional College of Engineering, Research and Technology, Head of Department Computer Science, welcome to Neeraj Dugar sir, Rahul Khandelwal sir, and PK Sharma sir. VK Software Private Limited, Jaipur, I am thanked all for coming at our campus for placement drive for BTech CSIT. I would especially like to thank Abhishek Sharma sir, placement in charge Deep Shikha Group, for kind donating prize for the raffle. Please, can you join me in a round applause for VK Software? Thank you very much. Who I am sure you will all agree have done a brilliant job in making this event successful. Thank you very much. After this session, there is an open hours for a student can ask any question about VK Software.
This is especially for the students who are actually going to take the interviews right now. Okay, even after the welcome speech, even after telling about you about VK Softwares, you must be having some questions in head. Okay, what this company does, what actually is the job that you are going to do, what kind of exposure you are going to get. These questions must be in your head, right? So this is an open house, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it is with you. Whatever question that comes to your head, these three gentlemen would try to answer your queries, would like to, give you the right kind of answers. So you can choose right now whether to go for the interviews or not, okay? And what exactly it is, okay? So profile, company, learning, growth within the company, the kind of money that you are going to get, okay? Whatever that comes to you. Okay? So you can raise your hand, ask a question. Like, please, Mr. Rahul.
If there is any
So, any question that comes to your head, raise your hand and ask the question. I have a project that is completed. Kind of project that
We are working in Android development. आप सब लोगों के पास होते हैं मेरे ख्याल से iPhones होते हैं. We are working in those. We are working in PHP. Websites जो आप देखते हैं mostly PHP में बनती हैं आजकल और .NET में भी. And we are also working on desktop softwares. Right?
portals you do.
In fact, we have different teams of software professionals, and we are working on Android application development, iPhone application developments, and web-based applications using PHP and .NET and Java as well. And in addition to that, we are into system administrations and database administrations, right? So almost everything that you can think of in software development era, we work on that, right? So that's it.
There will be more questions, I think.
Anybody else, please?